So students, in that video one topic was left, that is conservation of fossil fuels. So how we will conserve it, as fossil fuels are non-renewable resource, so that it will come to an end if we will not use it in proper way. So we must conserve it for our future generation. Some steps are here how we will conserve the fossil fuel. First is, we should use renewable source of energy like wind energy, solar energy, hydro energy to fulfill our energy needs. That means, in place of non-renewable resource, that is petroleum, coal, we have to use wind energy, solar energy and hydro energy. You can see nowadays in villages, mainly in villages, solar panels are there which can trap the heat coming from the sun, and then it is used for various purposes. Wind energy also, windmills are there. By the windmills in coastal areas, the energy is created, or it can be transferred from one form to another. Hydral energy, that is the energy which we get from water. Energy should be generated from biomass also. Biomass, as I told you earlier, it is the organic waste which is taken from our kitchen or from the crop field. The waste products, the waste of fruits, vegetables are known as biomass, and this biomass is used to generate biofuels, which is a good substitute of fossil fuels. Third is, petrol and diesel can be saved by using fuel efficient vehicles and machines. Fuel efficient vehicles, that means the vehicles which can consume less fuels, less petrol and diesel. Then it can be saved. Then also by driving vehicle at a moderate speed, by switching off the engines of vehicles at traffic signals, by ensuring correct tire pressure, and by regular maintenance of vehicle. By doing maintenance regularly, vehicle should be consume less fuels, and in this way we will save the fuel also. Then also at traffic signals, we must switch off the engines so that the unwanted petrol or diesel cannot be consumed. By doing this, we can save the fossil fuels. Fourth is using carpools. It is a good way to reduce consumption of fossil fuels like petrol and diesel. So what is carpool? Carpool is a method or process by in which, if a few persons are coming from same area, then they can use a single vehicle. For example, if 3 or 4 students are coming to the school from the same area, then they can, one day they can use one vehicle, then other day other vehicle. In this way, if they will use four vehicle, then four vehicle will consume more fuels. But if one vehicle is used in place of two or three vehicles, then or four vehicles, then petrol and diesel can be consumed. Sorry, conserved. It can be conserved. Walking down to nearby places instead of going by a vehicle also help to save fuel. If we have to go to market or somewhere else, if it is nearby, then we must go by walking, or we can use bicycle instead of any vehicle which consume petrol or diesel. So by adopting these five methods, we can conserve fossil fuels, and then the extra burden on fossil fuels can be reduced. So we as an individual must be careful about it and think for about future generation and conserve the fossil fuels.